Hey, what's up guys? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to about the Shiba Inu videos. Guys, in this video again I'm talking about the Shiba Inu changes. A lot of people ask me question that why the Shiba Inu is not taking a job and when will there is a possibilities that the price will increase. Now guys, the latest price of the Shiba Inu in the market is 0.0008 USD dollar. That is the current live price of the Shiba Inu in the market. Other side, if you talk about the changes of the Shiba Inu, so now you can see here the latest situation is already negative. Only guys, the last 1 day changes of the Shiba Inu is positive. Only guys, last 1 day changes of the Shiba Inu is positive. So what should we do at this time, guys? I recommend for you to holding is the only best way to save yourself, and in the future you will get profit. Absolutely, if you hold so possibilities, higher possibilities that in the future you get profit from a just look here. In the beginning of August, the Shiba Inu started jumping, but unfortunately at the last the price again decreased. So don't worry. Now I know it is a bad time of the Shiba Inu, but remember, after bad there is a good time. After falls you jump, so hold, never decide to sell, guys. Thanks for watching this video. What is your opinion? What is your prediction? Also share in the comment box.